Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so we'll continue the journey. So, this is going to be part 2. Yeah, man, part 2 of Ninjaman's white liar. Yeah, man, Ninjaman, white American liar. Yeah, we say white because she look white. That's she right there. Because, she tan, why she look that way. The Ninjaman white liar. From white to black or from black to white. I don't know how them do it, but I just saw it one of them things. But maybe she need to read a Marcus Garvey book and able to know say boy black is beauty. You understand? So as we tell you before, everything that we have said at the Jamaica Young Police channel is true, and we're not gonna cease and desist because knowledge is power. We are here to educate the people them. So look, if you're a criminal, convicted or not, and you are somebody who indulged in criminality and crime, and you commit crime as a part of your career, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we're going to keep educated the Jamaican people and people in the Caribbean and people in the diaspora. Yeah, so nobody feel say, boy, you can't escape your past because once we have memory of it and we have intimate knowledge based on our investigative skills as a detective and have intimate knowledge of your past, we are going to educate the people then about it. So you say if you want to have a pristine character, you have to be like a Sean Paul or a Shaggy. Yeah, Ninjaman, you don't have no character, period. Nobody can slander you about nothing. You understand? You commit all kind of crime and it right there. Rape. Yeah, you rape all security guard, you throw all baby out a car and all them things there. I don't know what this white woman what she a drink and them things they believe you be. As she say man character. Yeah, but we must big up a virgin her name, Junior. Yeah man, Junior Johnson. Yeah, Junior Johnson don't tell where they say, they might come at you. But hey look, we always prepare them things there. War already, you understand what I'm saying? As we show you, and you're going to see it, that, that we already have all our ducks in rows and all our I's dotted and all our T's crosses. And we are tell the liar, say, we have 2 more videos to do upon Ninjaman. Yeah, man. One, I will tell you already, with the police one named Paul Robinson. Yeah. I know if him still in Air Force, them call him Kojak, Sergeant Paul Robinson. And when we say things, we say it without any apologies. Yeah, this is a policeman that... I try to find, say we can find the incident when it happened, and the police and Derek Spratt try to kill him, shoot him, and the shot goes straight, cause a part in him forehead, and him collect 100,000 allegedly from Ninjaman. Ninjaman said it. Ninjaman, I was there when Ninjaman was telling Rock Stevens up by him one house where I stay, where I rent up in a Dunrobin area. 2 white women did in our house the day. One Monday we go and understand Rock. We not come from Constant Spring and Rock say I stop and check a man. Rock knows so me never like him and them things because I not like people where glorify killing other people and me Rock a friend. Me and him a friend. I just so as I tell you and them thing there. Me see him and him see me a little while and him heal me and that's it. Me not like people who mouth filthy and Ninjaman is a man who mouth filthy. And I don't see him as somebody who has contributed anything positive to the Jamaican society. All he has done, he has helped to destroy the minds of the youths because he's military, Yeah, Ninjaman are bright. And we're going to show you that one of them things. So, right now, because of this now, we have been distracted from what we're doing. So, is that now we just keep the thing going with Ninjaman. So, you watch, you listen, and you decide. Well, listen now, he might get old and realize, my father and them thing there, them kind of thing there, a derogatory and decadent behavior and it's unhealthy. So me know say him not gonna want him kids them for consuming. Yeah, so Ninjaman white liar, she that at the bottom, you know, the white woman there. You understand? So we're gonna tell you, you know, yeah. So me I tell you like funny, you know, man. So one yeah, you know, we wake up this morning and we see that letter here and them thing there, so we respond to the woman. So, you know, surprisingly, you know, say last night, you know, last night we talked to one a Ninjaman schoolmate from St. Mary, yeah, Castleton. Cause the police were arrested and charged Ninjaman and I met them convict him a court. Him and Ninjaman used to go to school to, you know, Michael Phipps. That are same Zeeks. You understand that? We show you know this man do him job without fear or affection, malice or ill will. Cause Zeeks are him and family, you know, cause St. Mary him come from though. You understand? So him arrest and charge Ninjaman and them ultimately convict him. Here and now, yeah, so I want to say a lie on them thing there. So them try everything, you know, in them book, you know, to save them could I get to Michael Phipps. Yeah. Based on information received and obtained. You understand? So allegedly them try to bribe him, to give money, so that he will not turn the other way. So Ninjaman could have walked from the murder. And he will take no money from them. You understand? And them even try to even talk to all people related to the policeman, the detective. So him could have walked. So yeah, Miss Bogle, yeah, I see that yes, but I mean, you know, that not like she white, but she look white here, so still, you know, but you know, say, you know, Bogle, I will know, say, something I derived from the enslavers them, so we continue the journey, you understand? So, yeah, so, and we are telling you, so, on the other hand, yeah man, Ninjaman has no right to defend his reputation and to challenge the allegations that have been made against him, because he's the same person who has been telling us over the decades and stage shows, concert and his music that he is a serial killer. And him tell we, you know. Not only we are talking about from police, you know, him tell we that publicly, you know, because so he make free money upon it out of it, you know. Yeah man, killing people and him kill them for fun and him lick out Mara and him this and how many boy him kill and who and this and walk upon him gun and the only artist and them thing they ever kick him down was Vybz Kartel. That's why we tell us that Vybz Kartel smart on him. Yeah, Vybz Kartel kick him down over Sting. Yeah, you understand? You know, see it. When him this where you tell him for Squidly ranking from Jungle. This him now I show, you know, yeah man. I sent Mary and them thing there. This him wicked. And the only man when him try for this Vybz Kartel, Vybz Kartel kick him down. Yeah, understand? You see part TV and them thing there. Yeah, and I see him, and them say, boy, yeah, I've seen him Vybz Kartel big film because him now, Vybz Kartel have linked to big gang, yeah, Clansman gang. Clansman gang now want a friend from Ninjaman because I threw my coke and them thing there, yeah. I saw them say them deal with people who take coke. You understand? So that's why him couldn't get close to them man there and treat him arrogant and them thing there. So if him never did be careful and them thing there with him and Kartel, you know, them gonna send him to the departure lounge. Hey, Kartel have some man there, them not play, you know. I just saw it go on them thing there, you understand? You know, see it. So, yeah, moving on. So, a Ninjaman said it without any apologies. A Ninjaman see man, you know, him boss, you know, telling us decades on stage show and concert, and this is music, you know, him a serial killer, you know, him kill people, and you understand. And Ninjaman said it without any apologies. And for him to imply that he has been wrongly accused of being a serial killer. You understand? Allegedly. When he wants to have his cake and eat it. Ninjaman cannot have it both ways. And not only does his art imitate life, he is in prison for murder. And that is not an accident. Because him commit the murder, him and his son. You understand? And Ninjaman and his son commit the murder, you know. And it is not an accident as his peers have convicted him in a court of law in Jamaica. So Ninjaman is a convicted murderer in a court. Convicted murderer in a Jamaica and him in a prison. So the question of whether or not Ninjaman's lawsuit will damage his reputation is ultimately a matter of public opinion. Who in a Jamaica now send me a voice note. Who in a Jamaica? So I want all of the viewers and subscribers, yeah man, send me a voice note to the Jamaica Young Police channel 954-556-0275 and tell me which part in this where we are damaged Ninjaman reputation. Tell me, yeah man. You understand? You don't have to tell where your full name, just tell where you are called from and tell what you know about Ninjaman based on the music. If this a damage him reputation, say him a serial killer. You understand? And talk what you know based on police information obtained and based on a public domain and Jamaica and based on when Ninjaman say out of his own mouth. We not talk and we talk Ninja and Camel and Ninjaman, you know. Ninjaman better looking than the Camel still, you know. You understand? Oh, Yeah, so at the same, say at the same, say at the same white woman that now she this now, in a real life, Yeah, the white woman, we saw, she that in a real life, Yeah, so I wonder if she read. I wonder if she ever read a Marcus Garvey book. I wonder if she ever read a Marcus Garvey book because, how she look white this and now she look black. Me not understand that. I can't see in person and them thing there. No sir, can't be same person. Really? And she a liar? Oh that. She must read a Marcus Garvey book and all them thing if you know say boy black is beauty. One thing you have to give Ninjaman credit for here, with the difference with him and Cartel, him no bleach. And him not try to look white and them thing there. Only thing him say boy him better looking than the camel. Yeah, but we don't understand how this woman just go from white to black. Always, but I mean, I don't know. And maybe a pigment them change and all them thing there. You understand? I don't know no white person but from white them get pigmentation, that's how you get black. I know so you can do tan as a white person and look dark but not like that and them thing there. I don't know, but hey look, to each his own and them thing there. So she transitioned from a white person to a black person. Cause you understand, I see in person, So I saw it going on people. You understand? Why I love myself so being black and them thing there. Yeah, me could never ever try for me not go try for be white and them thing because I'm not white. My father half white, my grandmother white, my grandfather them black. One of my grandmother white and one brown, and my two grandfather them a black man. When I say black man, you understand? I mean nobody in my family wear bleach. I mean nobody in my family wear it white and then them become black. I don't know how that works still though. It must be, well, logically speaking, it must be black and then you bleach and become white. Because I mean things say it's a white person, No, seriously, because come here say wait. But hey, I decided Ninjaman big shot American white liar. And she get black on them thing there. So we don't know. Everywhere in a black people in our world we have problems. So so this I got hurt our ego to one them thing there because you dare for call me out say me black when me white and them thing there. But I just saw it going on. We tell you the truth. So we are looking at you right now, you understand, Miss Bogle, and we say you're black. But the other picture with this is say you're white and them thing there. We don't know. But we're not changing it because I just read this. We're black and we love being black. We're not going to bleach and we're not going to try it, you understand? So the question of whether or not Ninjaman last out will damage his reputation is ultimately a matter of public opinion. So we just ask you, the loyal viewers and subscribers, man, send us some message, voice note, so we can make Ninjaman and him liar hear what the Jamaican people is thinking about him and those in the diaspora. For a convicted murderer, a man who has been boasting for decades, or him kill people and kill them for fun, and him have house a gun, and him I'll get ready to Adams when I'm gun on stage and him say I have whole heap more gun, illegal gun, We're not talking a license gun, Ninjaman have that. And I will tell you already, I say Ninjaman is smart like Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel will have a license gun, Yeah. And I see him PMP. Yeah man, I see him PMP, criminal organization. When them in a power, them say when I say, this a dirty boy if you have gun and them thing. And I saw them and them take a Vybz Kartel gun and I saw them create FLA. It's Vybz Kartel why them create FLA, Because them vex him get gun. I just saw it go. Vybz Kartel know that, Peter Phillips do it, Because I must say, that's why I tell you, Jamaican people don't know them real enemy. Because they must say, this all dirty boy. I saw them, hey, in case you don't do not know them thing, when they run them people there, you understand? All the police when him DSP Linrod, him can't DSP Linrod anyways. Him can't tell you when him they run Peter Phillips. Peter Phillips talk about the same people them. Yeah. Linrod Edwards. You understand? We I tell you. So moving on. You understand? Boy, I tell you, it's just weird. Some people may see his lawsuit as a desperate attempt to whitewash his past, while others may view it as a legitimate attempt to clear his name. But we just tell you from both perspective, Because say you have the criminal supporter them out there. Let me tell you how them stay now. The criminal supporters them and the criminal them commit them crime, but them want to boast with them friend, But publicly them don't want to admit it. Say them a criminal and them thing they are them a killer. And when them go to court, them not admit say them kill. I mean shut up the boy, Them go to court and say them innocent, because you're not an honest criminal, You understand? But then we boast with them friend and tell us, boy, you know, say me kill the boy, and when the boy me a give boy gunshot and them thing. But when time them go court, them now admit say them are the killer. Then when them a go court, them say boy me innocent, you know, lie them a tell for me, you know. And you know, so when time me the down me go down a hell and go look for my brother with down there and them thing there, you know. So me could have did this, so I me the down a hell. And then them ask him, so which part hell there? And I say, you don't know what hell there? You have to go down the man, because my brother live down there and them thing there. You get to go down. I saw them, you understand? And we just tell you that and them thing now, metaphorically. I just saw it go. So ultimately, up to each individual to decide whether or not they believe Ninjaman is a serial killer. Based on Ninjaman rhetoric and based on police investigations, how many times he has been named as suspect in killing of other Jamaicans, and he was arrested and charged with murder of a taximan, you understand, and in the jail, and then the next thing you know, I just saw it go corruption in a Jamaica, money run, and people turn up a court, and them hey, trust me, I just want corrupt system. So you have to give Michael Phillips props. Yeah man, for make certain said this time Ninjaman got prison. Cause Ninjaman is a Ninjaman have been frequent cleared in a prison, you know. He might tell you know, you're a youth where they die prison. Say, Ninjaman now no ambition. Every minute he might come to prison. You understand, like a hotel. Him say, a man and no ambition do them thing there. Because you shit, you eat, and do everything in a cell. A man do that. You understand? I just suffer the theme thing. But hey, and let me tell you, say, my gold teeth, front teeth, gun pan teeth, gun gargle, and then kill people and this and that and them thing there. The baddest, the DJ will claim for killing most people. Now I say, boy, me have a reputation, you know, you defame me. When him do, they say all of them think about himself, you know. And then him get this white woman for sue with defamation of character. But hey, look, we have Uncle Sam and them thing there for deal with the lawsuit and them thing there, yeah. We deal with it and them thing there. Until you say every papers, we deal with it. Because we not take no video, because we not tell no lie on Ninjaman, none, not one. So, and we have more things to say about Ninjaman. Because I distract now from what we really even supposed to do today, you know. You understand? This white woman, you know, and Ninjaman, yeah. Well, Ninjaman, you know, say him not no credibility in a prison now. You understand? Because you know, say, not only that, you go him not none. Because I saw it going to Jamaica, you know, when you're a criminal, you have to maintain your criminal status, you know. Him just get to right here. Him not no credibility in a criminal underworld now. You understand? Yeah, man. So, you know, say, because, you know, say, them now, you know, say, them not go treat that the criminal trust him now and them thing there. Because you don't know if Ninjaman return witness against you in a court for come out now. You understand? Yeah. So this question is not an easy answer, and evidence often conflicts. However, engaging in respectful and informed discussions about this issue is essential to understanding the truth better. We don't tell any lies on Ninjaman. All the things we have saying is the truth. So we'll give you some additional points to consider. The Jamaica Young Police Channel and Christopher Porter are responsible for ensuring that the information they publish is accurate and fair. They should be held accountable if they have made false, misleading statement about Ninjaman. So we don't make no false or misleading statement about Ninjaman. Everything that we have said about Ninjaman is true. We just tell you that, you know, yeah. You understand? Because we held ourselves to a higher standard. So that's why we don't make make a conjecture, or we don't say, you understand, and we don't use hyperbole. We just tell the truth. I just saw it go. You understand? So the Jamaican media, them play a role in providing accurate and unbiased reporting on this case about Ninjaman and in background, and you see we put it up there. You understand? So this will help to ensure that the public has a full and fair understanding of the situation. You understand? Jamaican society as a whole need to have a frank and open decision about the glorification of violence dancehall music, and this will help to create a more peaceful and just society. So that's all we want, you know. Yeah, but Ninjaman want to know, say, boy, him can kill people and boast about it, and you know, if he talk, say, him a killer. Yeah, and know him that person for convicted for kill people, you know. I mean, I know which law school this a woman I go. I talk about Ninjaman and I outline things. Yeah, I like about say, boy, Ninjaman not bright. Ninjaman is not bright. And that we say Ninjaman not bright, and him couldn't write the letter. You understand? So if somebody even write it for Ninjaman, and a Ninjaman write it, We say a Ninjaman can't write the letter because he's not bright. He's not smart. We know that for a fact. He's a man who we know. You understand? So we want to look right now on them thing there. And we tell you already, you know. So the convicted killer Ninjaman is not quarter as smart as Vybz Kartel. And I told you, we at the Jamaica has told you before, he is not smart. Ninjaman, yeah man, Ninjaman not even quarter as smart as Vybz Kartel. And we are telling you that. And like, we're not allowed Vybz Kartel, we are telling you the truth. Alright. We talk all the time, so we don't like people like Vybz Kartel, because Vybz Kartel name have been mentioned in so many things and all them something there. You understand? And I just saw it go. But one thing we tell you, and you know if you're a fact, Ninjaman is not quarter. When I say half, you know, quarter smarter Vybz Kartel. You say if I did Vybz Kartel, hey, and the person will do that and them thing, they try to shape Ninjaman ninja. You say if I did Vybz Kartel, then they put say a Vybz Kartel's name on the letter to the Prime Minister. You understand? We at the Jamaica Young Police would even try to do no research on them thing. Would I know say him? Would I say yes, I'm bright? Ninjaman not bright. We know that for a fact. That's why we say him not do it, because we know say he's not smart. And you're going to hear from somebody who went to school with Ninjaman. And everything that we are telling you now, you're going to hear it for yourself. Ninjaman not smart. Him no quarter as smart as Vybz Kartel. That's why Vybz Kartel kick him down on stage and them thing. I'm after just love that. You understand? Yeah, he never get them kind of treatment in front of DJ yet. Him this all squiddly ranks and them thing from jungle. Oh, Vybz Kartel kick him down on Waterford pants thing. I'm after just love that. I just saw it go. So you understand? Them uncle can't do people things where them feel like, and between me and him see him one Ninjaman, and Ninjaman see him one after Sting. Where I tell you, Ninjaman a big informer now. Him and Ninjaman see one after Sting, and him go down to CIB headquarters and tell Reggie Grant, say, Vybz Kartel get license gun, and Vybz Kartel live in a Hunsby police area where him Ninjaman live. Him Ninjaman allegedly, him are the big informer, you know. Vybz Kartel lose him gun because Vybz Kartel kick him down over Sting, you know. So they know say Vybz Kartel have license gun. And Ninjaman, yeah, them telling me I put Ninjaman, him run go down there, down a CIB headquarters, go tell Reggie Grant, say, Vybz Kartel have license gun, and him get the gun, and him no live in a Hunsby police area. Ninjaman is the man who allegedly do that. So a Ninjaman make all Vybz Kartel lose all him license gun. Hey, look here. Me say, for a man, no have no criminal past and all them things. And if he have a gun to protect himself, what you mean? So at the time when Vybz Kartel have him, like, Vybz Kartel never got jail in him life. Vybz Kartel never, you understand what I'm saying? I remember, you know, special branch, all the agency them give man clean bill of health, you know. And Vybz Kartel, the only thing him just get deported from America for immigration thing. You understand? Immigration thing is totally different. Because they were arrested and charged based on, you know, in America, me that say him in a vehicle with people with gun and them thing. They kind of married and all about him papers. And then deport him back to Jamaica. Him not complain. And same Ninjaman, the same man, you know, Ninjaman, him, you know, through Vybz Kartel, kick him down, and him know say the man have him license gun. So him run go CIB headquarters based on information receive and obtain and tell them say Kartel have license gun. And him not live in a Washington Garden. Ninjaman did that. Him, you understand? And then them claim say they not like informer, you know, and my biggest informer, you know. I know him a talk about say boy him have character. Character, you're a big informer too. And you make Vybz Kartel lose all him license gun. Ninjaman. So I don't know how people, that's what I'm saying. I don't know no honest criminal, you know. I don't know a man deal with all people like them, you know. When I'm a big time criminal, you know. And you can't trust them. So moving on. You understand? So it is important to remember that serial killers are often master manipulators who can be very skilled at hiding their true nature. They may use a variety of techniques to maintain a facade of normalcy, and that's what our killers, murderers in Jamaica have been successful doing for years by playing on the people's weak emotions of drinking the sympathy sodas, juice, tea, coffee and champagne. And that is why Jamaica is the murder capital of the world. So Ninjaman is one of them, you know. You know the people them. All they have to say, yeah, boy, me poor in on the system a fight against me. As if the whole of we never born poor and raised poor in Jamaica. Because if you're not white, you know, in Jamaica and you're black, you're poor people. him get the chance to become a rich man. And when him do, in use spending money and all him do is damaging thing for destroy other Jamaican people life. And I talk about say boy, man for dead and this and that and informer for dead. When I my biggest informer, him Vibes Cartel lose all him license gun. You understand? So Ninjaman school, yeah, so you go hear about it, you know. So you hear you to go school, a big man we go school with him and tell you Ninjaman you say, hey, a long time Ninjaman love for there which part where did there, you know. Ninjaman all used to hide in a toilet, you know. For no one go class, you know. So that's why him love prison. Cause him used to him get so desensitized to shit that him love prison. We I tell you that I will not talk about no knowledge, you hear that for yourself. Cause we not tell lie on people. You understand? So yeah, moving on. So Desmond Ballantyne, famously known as Ninjaman, who's currently serving time in Jamaican prison for murder of an unarmed victim alongside his son and a co-defendant. Ninjaman used an illegal firearm to commit this heinous crime. As someone who's known Ninjaman personally for over 3 decades, I have always been aware of his delinquent behavior and lack of ambition. He's not an ambition. Or a man who want to go to prison and them thing there. And boy, you want to kill people. You know, let me say you know respect the life of other people. And that's what me do. Me respect the life of other people. I don't believe in anybody if you see nobody and kill them. And when you kill them, there's no consequence. I don't believe in all that. I respect every man's life. Every human being life. So it's disheartening to see how he dragged his son into a life of crime, resulting in both of them being convicted for the same murder. And while he was in custody, another son of Ninjaman was killed by gunmen in the same community where Ninjaman and his son and the another man commit the murder. So when Ninjaman they're jail, you know, you understand, him have a next son, you know, where gunman them kill, you know. Them kill a next, in a criminality, you know. And you tell me say this a man who have ambition. If him they have ambition and raise him son them like Shabarangs. All the Shabarangs son them, bright boy them never involved in a crime and them thing there. That's how an ambitious parent do. And non-ambitious parents steer them kids in a same lifestyle as them. As a criminal lifestyle for kill people. And you about defame your character. What kind of character that? You have none? Criminal, you can't have no character. But international star. I want to them people here. You understand? So we you know, so as a dancehall artist, Ninjaman shamelessly glorified violence and made a name for himself as a serial killer through his music. He boasted of mercilessly taking lives and deriving pleasure from it, repeatedly reminded the Jamaican people of his gruesome trade. As a former detective at the Huntsville police station, I have first-hand knowledge of Ninjaman's alleged involvement in numerous murder cases which eventually led to his arrest and subsequently charges in Jamaica. And it's right there. So it's utterly astonishing that Ninjaman, who has spent decades proudly declaring himself as a serial killer, is now suing the Jamaica Young Police Channel for defamation of character, claiming that he is not what he previously boasted about when an art to imitate life. The lawsuit will only further tarnish his image, showcasing his desperate attempt to alter his undeniable facts surrounding his conviction. When someone embraces their identity as a serial killer and openly admits to being a suspect in multiple murder cases, how can they suddenly expect others to believe in their newfound innocence? Ninjaman lawsuit highlights the irony of a convicted murderer trying to present himself as a saint, contradicting his history of boastful claims. You understand? In a Ninjaman, from his self-proclaimed status as a serial killer to his defamation lawsuit, it is crucial to examine the truth behind the facade and question the sincerity of someone who thrived off his criminal reputation for years. Discover the ins and outs of this perplexing case and witness how Ninjaman's actions have overshadowed any claim he made to a pristine character. So we are telling you, so here are some of these killers' marketing tactics for manipulating people's psyches in Jamaica. So what does I tell them thing from a detective perspective? Compartmentalization involving separating one's thoughts and feelings about one's crime from everyday life. This allows them to function in society without constantly haunted by their guilt or remorse. Because it's true, them not no conscience. Yes, so that's why him can boast, so him kill people and kill them for fun.
So because him not no conscience. So him rationalize. This involve coming up with excuses for their crimes. They may convince themselves that their victims deserve to die or that they were acting out of self-defense. So a murderer and a criminal operator, them always have excuse for them immoral behavior, illegal behavior. You understand? And when you talk about it now, and you are the bad person, none of them, them glorify it, I make money off fight, so them kill people for fun, killing people and them kill them for fun, and them convicted for murder. Yeah, and him lie. And I right say, I'm a convicted murderer under a prison, Say about him have reputation internationally. You understand? I don't know what kind of reputation Ninjaman have. So you would loyal viewers, send us a voice note to the Jamaica and tell us what you think about Ninjaman's reputation in Jamaica and in the diaspora around the world. You understand? Although him look better than the monk, the camel. I don't know. You can't even tell us which one of them look better. Which whether it's Ninjaman or the camel look better. You understand? So what them you serial killers now use them use charm and charisma. Serial killers, can often be charming and charismatic, making them seem like upstanding members of society. This can make it difficult for others to suspect them of being capable of violence. But the difference now with Ninjaman, Ninjaman hide it, him tell you. Yeah. Him tell us him kill people and them thing there. All even the taxi man when did kill, him boast about it. You understand? And this murder now, where him convicted for, in the swear say, him might beat it because the police them tell him, say them can't find the witness because they hide the witness, Because the witness come from all road. Yeah, man. And no, through him got school with Michael Phipps now, him fee say Phipps, because them now say, boy, Phipps a food man. And that's what them say, Ninjaman, you understand what I'm saying? People were close to him. Yeah, say him a food man. So them swear say, boy, Phipps said take money and help him make him beat the case, and then come out and say him a gun pan teeth, dan gag, and then kill people and kill them for fun. But little did you know that Michael Phipps wasn't going to, Michael Phipps tired of him. I don't know, nobody will grow up with Ninjaman will have decency, would I like him. Anybody, any Jamaican will have decency, and you like Ninjaman, something wrong with it. Because this man has not done nothing positive for the people's mind. Nothing. I want to tell you, say, maybe I'll 2 or 3 Ninjaman song them throughout the years, like the one where him say, now I go love it, in the politics song there, and the song where him do it, Tinga Stewart. Fee music them, from them play, them just done. In no catalog like no Bounty Killer or no Shabba Ranks, like all them can do music. Because theme thing, all of the same thing. Kill, lick out marrow, kill people, this, that, and a peer killing. And I like Bounty Killer them and Shabba Ranks, and them can do a concert or 2 or 3 or all of the music people still say. Fee music, nobody not even remember them or play them. Because they are not positive music, negativity. Destroy people's mind and them psyche. And make them, you understand? I just saw it go. I know him attack say, yeah. So them a try to use legal terrorism now for terrorize the Jamaica Young Police channel. Because them want to shut we up. Yeah. And we know say a whole heap of little things behind it to all them things. Because true we talk about Ninjaman in political party and all them things. And we know them not no conscience and them things. They not like fear the truth. Yeah, so them come now and say lawsuit in America costs money and them thing there. But we don't cover that them thing there. So you don't have to worry about that. That's why when we tell people certain things, just listen to we, because we not spread lies and we not tell lies. You understand? So in the case of a serial killer who is boasting about their crimes while also trying to maintain a pristine character, they are likely to use a combination of these techniques. They may compartmentalize, categorize, and classify their crimes by considering them separate from their real self. They may also rationalize their crimes by believing they are justified or serving a higher purpose. And they may use their charm and charisma to deflect suspicion and maintain their public image. But we are not fooling, nobody can do that to we, because we are well trained. So it is important to note that there is no single explanation for why serial killers behave in this way. However, understanding motivation of serial killers can help us better identify and apprehend them. So Desmond Ballantyne, affectionately known as Ninjaman, is currently in a Jamaican prison where he and his son has been convicted for murder for killing of an unarmed Jamaican using illegal guns to kill the deceased. I have done a video about him as a delinquent and non-ambitious father, luring and taking one of his sons to prison with him and his co-defendant in the same murder case, and he has received 10 more years than his son and the other accused man. So Ninjaman get 25 years to life. After 25 years, him can't get parole. Hope him not get none and him stay in prison and dead. Ninjaman supposed to come out of prison in a casket. And that's what says, straight to departure long. No apologies to that. You understand? So him that, you know, yeah. So, yeah, we'll continue the thing now. So a Ninjaman this now, you know, so we are, yeah, you understand? So him, you know, Ninjaman allegedly, you know, raping a woman at knife point. Valentine, yeah man, Valentine. So after Valentine's baptism on February 16, 1990 was widely reported. So him use the media and them thing to promote himself, you know. Anything we might do, you know. Yeah, I when him attack say boy, oh him change, him stop kill people, and him a brother Desmond and all them thing there. While a whole heap of church people I say, oh, Ninjaman a Satan incarnate, yeah, allegedly. In Ninjaman now go change because him throughout him life, him is a troubled person, and him always all him do is evil, and darkness always around him. So it was alleged that Valentine, who was 31 years old at the time, held a 36-year-old female security guard at knife point and took her to his mother's house where he sexually assaulted her. That in 1997. So where was his mother? Oh, boy, may I tell you. So him that, you know, a Ninjaman that, you know, see me? I just hung up on stage. You understand? So January 1998, the Montego Bay police issue a warrant for the arrest of Valentine, that a Ninjaman, who they believe could assist them with their investigation into a stabbing incident which happened in the tourist resort. A Ninjaman that, you know, that a man who have a pristine character. Yeah. Him that, you know, with defamation of character. You understand? White people are so we. White people are so the Jamaica Young Police channel. You understand? Yeah. So, him that, you know, so Ninjaman, him and him son at that prison. You understand? For kill an ex-Jamaican. So I have known Ninjaman personally for more than 30 years, and he has never been a friend of mine because of his behavior, disrespect for the life of other human beings. Ninjaman is a dancehall artist who has grown for his killing of other Jamaican in his trade and showing his trade as a killer. On so many occasions, he reminded Jamaican people that he was a serial killer and he killed people for fun. So when Ninjaman lie and I come out now and I say all kind of thing, you know, it's just crazy. You understand? I don't see, oh, a man, a convicted murderer, a man who would have prison for murder have any character and them thing there. Because if you kill people, you can't have character. You understand? You see it? So how do you explain someone boasted of being a serial killer and having been a suspect in several murder, and also a convicted murderer who's in prison for murder, wanted others to believe that he has a pristine character, when for decades he has been reminding and boasting he's a serial killer? Now Ninjaman lawsuit will only diminish his character from a boastful convicted killer, to a man baby trying to change the fact about him being a convicted killer to a saint. Why he is not at this point. Ninjaman is not a saint. Ninjaman is a convicted killer, and Ninjaman is a murderer. That's what I mean a prison for. So I want to know how a murderer have any character. So you understand? And we're going to make you see some other slides about Ninjaman, you know, to the end of the video and everything, because you understand. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police channel. And before we go on them thing, we tell a lie. There's no lies that we tell about Ninjaman and any of the videos them. And we have more videos to do about Ninjaman. Because we were there when Ninjaman tell me, say Ninjaman had given Detective Paul Robinson, who spread shot, graze him head and give him 100,000. And whole heap of money at them time. Yeah. And him, because he migrate and him now go testify against Derek Spratt. You understand? And Ninjaman them, they were when Kojak was going to court against Spratt, at one time them just say now watch, you understand? Because eventually them say them now give a statement and them thing, they say them give Kojak the money. That I see in police, you know, we collect money from that Christopher Dog Paw Linton case. You understand? So you can't make it up. A man, you see, it no matter where you put, if a man a thief and a man dishonest, no care where you put them still are gonna do the same thing. You understand? Alright, so I would tell you, say, so we just, make you see the slide them with some things. There are some things where out there and them thing about Ninjaman. You understand? Where your sister boy in a 1990, so in a 1999, he was arrested and charged with the murder of a taxi driver, Anthony White. So Anthony White family need to sue Ninjaman, and Ninjaman, yeah, and the company where this liar, and you know get money. So him killing a father, or a brother, or a son, or what. Yeah, most people do not know that and them thing. So you get reparation. So like how him have liar America and now running business America, yeah, so them can get money and all them things from him. Because him, he's the one who was arrested and charged to kill Anthony White. You understand? So you still can't get money. There's no statute of limitation and Jamaica and them thing there. Alright? Yeah. So based on the intention of this white lawyer, yeah, Nikki Bogle, yeah, the white lady turned black lady, or black lady turned white lady. Yeah, there's no statute of limitation. So she's the one who's the attorney that represented Ninjaman in America. So as she deal with him affairs, I don't know what kind of business they have in America. Because say Ninjaman can't come back to America because Uncle Sam kick him out of them country and them don't want him because he's a carousing. Yeah, Ninjaman was arrested and charged with having illegal gun in America. So you know how it go on them thing. We don't know how, honestly, when that team all delve back in all that and them thing, all the cases, you understand? That was in the early 1990s, and Isaiah Leng did stand sure to feel. So the family of White now, White and Johnson, all of the people, them, all the security guard who was raped by Ninjaman, you still can get monetary damages, you can get reparation from Ninjaman. Let's get a lawyer, sue him. Yeah, sue him because he have a company and them thing there. So anyway, them hide the money and them thing there. So him come out, him not supposed to come out in him, supposed to dead at prison and them thing there. You understand? But say anyhow film government coming up power and them in charge of the system, yeah, them will give him, although the court say after 25 years, so them will go to court, them will go in a parliament, and them will change the law for Ninjaman, because so it go, they make sure them protect them criminals. So that's why them not bad for death penalty. But you say if Siago didn't have power, yeah man, Ninjaman they could have broke already and them thing there. And would I say, yeah, right place him gone, straight to the departure lounge. Yeah, so Mr. White family them can't sue him. Them still can't get money and them thing there, reparation for the killing of their loved one and Ricardo Johnson, because Ninjaman are all corrosion, Yeah, Ninjaman can't change. You understand? No matter how you try to help him and them thing there, him just can't change. There are some people you can't help them and them thing because they cannot help themselves because it's embedded in them, genetic. You understand? Him cannot stay out of trouble and him cannot be a law-abiding person. Ninjaman is always gonna be this kind of person until him die. You understand? See, even for sure how darkness cannot leave him. Because from him small, him even baptized, and shortly after him baptized, him go rape that security guard there. How much money she get? God he knows, because everything in Jamaica, you eat a food, a man does man no man, because Jamaica is a criminal's paradise, We have been cultured, nurtured, and socialized as people to be criminal-minded people and sympathetic to the criminals. So all them have to do, somebody just go and go look for Ninjaman and them thing there. You understand? Go look for the witness and them give witness some money and then everything does under the bus and Ninjaman good to go and him come and him boast. Yeah, him not go boast how him rape the woman and all them thing there. Because say in the criminal world, people look down on you and them thing there. But now, as something I refresh to the man them in their mind now, in a prison, You understand? So wait, because in a prison in Jamaica, when you are rapist and them thing, man has no respect for you, But now, hey, everything is different, Because I remember when I was growing up, as a youth in Jamaica, Any man who rape, straight to the departure along the gangster them send them, If a gangster send them my departure along, I police. Yeah, so we are continuing to give you a little history, about Ninjaman. I just a little, because Ninjaman rap sheet and arrest record is long. Yeah, ask him. So you understand? Him can't in a deposition, because he's a prison in Jamaica, so him can't in a deposition in America. You understand what I'm saying? You know, see, I just saw it go. Him have to do a deposition in a courthouse, America. You understand? Him in their prison. So, you know, some people that see some of them alone have sense because them got to school. So, in 1998 now, yeah, Ninjaman, yeah, the man to go be a police issue a warrant for him. That time them, yeah, issue a warrant for the arrest of Valentine, who they believe could assist them in their investigation into the stabbing incident which happened in the tourist capital. It was reported that Valentine, who was booked to perform on the stage show on New Year's Eve, got into an altercation with the victim over a gold chain. It was reported that the man was stabbed several times. So, yeah, I will tell you already on them things. So, everywhere I'm going on them things. So, him that, you know, in him ninja suit, you know, Ninjaman perform at Sting 2004. So, him that, you know, in him ninja suit. I'm saying my Ninjaman. You understand? With him sword and all them things. You understand? You know. So, that's how he portray himself as. Everybody if you know say, oh, Ninjaman, yeah, Ninjaman a murderer, Ninjaman a killer, Ninjaman a gun pan teeth, gold teeth, Dan Gargan. You understand? And him tell everybody, I saw it go to Jamaica, him tell everybody how him kill people and him kill them for fun. And that's a fame person, you know. I saw him rise to fame in a Jamaican music world. And I saw him have this following. And that's why we say, you know, Ninjaman is one of them who destroy the youths, their minds in a Jamaica. That's why we have a society where people glorify killing. You understand? And Ninjaman is the one that normalize it in a Jamaica and make it feel like something cool. So every youth in a Jamaica, you know, growing up, yeah, listening to Ninjaman music, boy, everybody want to be a killer. Nobody want to be in the police, you know, police are informer. Because Ninjaman, them all do music and tell you about that. You understand? So after, alright, so look now. So, alright, so we are telling you now, so Ninjaman now, you know, he was, them police arrested and charged him all cokehead, you know, arrested and charged, yeah, when he appeared, Desmond Valentine, when he appeared in the Falmouth Resident Magistrate Court. Valentine was arrested and charged with breaches of the Dangerous Drugs Act after he was found with a crack cocaine in his possession during a spot check. He was given a suspended sentence on the basis that he seeks help for his drug addiction. So he all cokehead too, you know. You understand? So, you know, yeah, him all cokehead too. You see him that, you know, the cokehead, yeah. So, yeah, I tell you, say Ninjaman are not cokehead. Because all Vice Cartel said, so no cokehead boy can't challenge him. You understand? Yeah, Vice Cartel said that on stage. You understand? Then, hey, look now. In Sunday, August 10th, 1997, the newly converted Christian, yeah man, Valentine, was jailed for allegedly rape a woman at Knife Pine. So I see him on this, you know, him take everything for joke, you know. Now, look at Papa San and Lieutenant Stitchy. You understand? Them people, these are artists, you know, back in the days, in the early 80s and them things, you know. And none of their music was destructive to the minds of the Jamaican youths. You understand? Their music were entertainment, you know, your music and them things, and Papa San music, them although a dance, them still relevant today's day. Ninjaman music, them not relevant to today's day. Garbage. That's something you throw in a trash. After the people them listening it from then, nobody don't want to hear them again. Because them make people feel uncomfortable. You understand? So I just saw it go. You know, see it. So I don't like no Shabba Ranks and them thing there. Yeah, Shabba Ranks have a catalog, Bounty Killer, Sean Paul. Him can't stay so have a concert. Period. Anyway, I'm going to go and dance all and go DJ for and tell the people them kill people and them, you know, the one them glorify it, but yet still, you know, in time them for them family, if somebody kill them family, them ball. So them not even know, so them say wanna celebrate to them own destruction of them own black people. You understand? So yeah, I just saw it go. So if you haven't joined the Jamaican Patreon, yeah man, you know, / Jamaica Young Police, yeah man, join the channel, man. You understand? Become a Patreon member. You'll be able to see videos that you're not able to see on YouTube due to YouTube policies, laws, rules, and regulations. And you know, we're at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. We're a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen. Yeah, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do not tell lies over here, and everything that we have said in this video and others about Ninjaman is the truth and nothing but the truth. Ninjaman cannot dispute anything that we are saying. So whoever is behind this lawsuit, this is a frivolous lawsuit, wasting people's time and money. So you understand? As we say, and we continue to say, yeah, we have Uncle Sam right behind me and them thing there. Make legal, that's for all people who work for the federal government and retiree who work for the federal government. So I just saw it go on them thing there. So Miss Nickelbogle, the white lady, Miss Nickelbogle, bring it on. Bring it on, this convicted murderer we are defend. Bring it on. You understand? Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.